Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate email click tracking with GetResponse step by step clearly. First, log in to your GetResponse account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Email Marketing tab on the left sidebar. Select Automation from the drop-down menu. Choose the Workflows option. Click on Create Workflow. Select Start from Scratch to build a new workflow. Now, give your workflow a name for easy identification. Click on the plus icon to add a new action. Choose Email from the list of options. Next, select the email you want to track for clicks. Scroll down to the tracking section within the email settings. Enable click tracking by checking the box next to it. In the click tracking settings, enter your affiliate link. Make sure to test the link to ensure it redirects correctly. Save your changes. Return to your workflow and set the triggers for your email. Choose conditions that suit your campaign goals. Once everything is set up, click Save and Publish. Your email with affiliate click tracking is now ready to go. You can monitor the click rates and conversions in the Analytics section. Adjust your strategy based on the data collected for better performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.